How to fix Valorant keep crashing mid-game. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant crashing in the middle of games. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, right-click on the Valorant app and go to Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is checked. Also, check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Press the Windows key and search for Task Manager. Click on the Memory tab to sort apps by memory usage. Right-click on any app you're not using and click End Task. Press the Windows key again and go to Settings. Scroll down to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install anything available. That's all for the video. Hopefully, these steps help fix the crashing issue in Valorant. If you're still facing problems, drop a comment below and I'll try to help out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.